The best way to watch Instagram stories without creator knowing is to do that without account. So I'm Cisco. Today I will show you how you can watch Instagram stories without account. So let's say I wanna see stories this profile without he knows. First go this website, I will drop it in description. It will bring you to this page. Now tap username profile you want to see their story. And here we go guys, this is all his story. And now you can see it without he knows. And also if you want download it, just click here. Now guys, don't forget subscribe and like, you will help me so much. See you.